reality is the heart. What the heart says, that alone is true. The heart might say, help him. That is perfect action. The heart might say, do not help him. And you don't help him. That is perfect action. Why the heart said in this case, do it? Why the heart said that don't do it? You have no idea to understand. Because that is guidance coming from cosmic consciousness, from God himself. So one can't understand why God says this and God says that. So listening to your heart means listening to God. To me, the part must obey the whole. You are the part. Until of course you have become God. You realized God, and that you have become one with God. So the whole manifests itself to the heart. And you have to obey the whole. That is God or your heart. If the heart says do this, do this. If it says don't do, whatever it says, you should not do. That is obeying the heart. Human beings today do not obey the whole. They do not follow their heart. They only follow their mind. That is why the world is in a mess. If people become enlightened, that is their heart is a flower, then they will simply follow their heart, which is following the divine will. If everybody follows the divine will, there will be no problem for us. But we do not follow the divine will. We follow our own will, which is an illusion.